Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing, okay? And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you will always get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like this video and do all of that good stuff to this channel, all right? And to my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always and always coming back. So guys, today we are making burger bun and I'm going to be carrying you guys along. I'll be showing you how to make this burger bun. This is very easy and you're going to love it, okay? So guys, without wasting much time, let's just dive into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe and leave your comments too for me, all right? So here in my dried and clean bowl, I'm going to start now by measuring my flour. Okay, I'll be leaving all the ingredients I use with their measurements in the description box, so please do well to check it out. Okay, so I'm going to start measuring my flour now. Please always sieve your flour before adding it in, okay? Before using it, always make sure that you sieve your flour. So here I'm adding in my sugar. I'm going to be leaving the measurements and everything I use in the description, okay? Please check it out. And then I went in with some salt. I'm just going to mix everything so that everything can be properly combined. And then I'm going to be going in with my yeast. So now I'll be going in with my lukewarm water and I'll add in my water bit by bit, okay, so that I can be in control of my liquid, all right? So I'm just going to mix everything. I'll be going in now with my hands. Make sure that your hands are neat, all right? So I'll be working with my hands now and I'm just going to mix this until I form a dough. I'll keep adding water until I get the consistency that I'm looking for. I transfer this on my working surface and I sprinkle some flour so that it will be easy for me to work on, and I added in some butter. Okay, I'm going to knead this very well until it becomes very soft and stretchy, just like your donut. Okay, and then I'll be placing it back in my bowl and I will cover this, leave it in a warm place for 45 to 1 hour until it has proven and has doubled in size. So now I'm just going to take it back on my working surface and I'll be cutting it into three. I'll be folding it in until I get that round shape, okay? Just like you do for your donut. I'm just going to be folding it in and then make sure that there is no crack or hole on it, okay? Make sure that everywhere is covered. Okay, and after folding it in, I'll roll it on my working surface to get that perfect round shape. And here we have it. I'm going to cover this again and I'll allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Leave your comment for me, and if you have not liked this video, please like the video, all right, and share, okay? And 15 minutes later, here is what we have. Our dough has proven again So now I'm going to be brushing it up with some egg wash, okay? Just egg and milk mixed together. And then I'll be baking this in my preheated oven for 25 minutes. You can sprinkle some sesame seed if you have. I don't have, that's why I did not use it. And here, after 20 minutes, our burger bun is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. It's very easy, it's very simple. Okay, your burger bun is ready. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and leave your comment for me in the comment section. Look how soft and fluffy it's looking like, and it's so good, guys. It's so good. So guys, I'm going to be opening the inside to show you what the inside looks like. And here we have it. Look how soft and fluffy the inside is looking like. It's still very hot. You are going to enjoy this, okay? Don't forget to do all that good stuff to the channel, okay? Share my video, like, and subscribe. Until I come your way next time, guys, please stay safe. Bye bye.